SoFi introduces a Web3 ETF with a focus on blockchain, Metaverse, and NFTs. SoFi Technologies has announced the launch of a new thematic exchange-traded fund that is targeted at Web3. This will give more of its user base, which is primarily made up of Gen Z and millennials, access to investing in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. The debut coincides with a perilous period for the financial behemoth as a result of a widespread crypto bear market that has seen the value of cryptocurrencies and crypto firms drop precipitously. SoFi Web3 will follow the SoFi Selective Artist Web 3.0 Index, which selects the top 40 stocks from 4 categories: NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and tokenization, blockchain technology, the metaverse, and big data and artificial intelligence, using natural language processing. By algorithmically searching the web for pertinent phrases, the index, which was co-created by the service provider Selective and SoFi, ranks businesses according to their relevance to each theme. Contact Ixiono to know more.